In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 4300 series printer that is printing lines or it's printing the blurry text. For example, here I can see it has just printed lines, not printing properly. In other printout, it has printed but it's not clear. So there may be any problem with the printer that can cause this. To fix this problem, switch on the printer, go to your smartphone, MacBook or laptop and open the HP app. So we can fix this issue using the app. You can use your device. Once you see your printer HP DeskJet 4300 series, scroll down and look for the option Diagnostics and then click on the Print Quality Tools. In the Print Quality Tools, we have the option Align Printheads. Click on the Align Printheads and press Print Alignment page. So make sure you have loaded paper. So it will print a page and we have to scan that. That is the first step. That is the alignment page to scan. Open the lid. Place the alignment page facing down on this corner. Go to the smartphone and click on the icon Done and then click Scan Alignment Page. Wait for the alignment to completely finish. So that will do the half work. Then we will go for the step 2. Alignment can take few seconds or under a minute. The power light will keep flashing that time. In the end you will hear a sound. That's the alignment. Go to the screen and click on the Done. Next is click on the View All Print Quality Tools. This will further improve the print quality. For that, we can go for the Cleanup and then click on the cartridge cleaning. Select level 1. You will see the level 2, but level 2 takes a lot of ink, whereas level 1 is just the basic cleaning, improves the print quality, and so click on the level 1. So this will further takes less than a minute. In the end it will print a report. So wait for the printer. Let's check the report. This is the print quality diagnostic report. It gives all the details of your printer. Lines like tricolor and black, original HP, cartridge ink levels are okay. So it says the ink level is okay. Next is check media and settings. For photos, use West mode and photo paper. For text, use normal mode and plain paper. So that's the recommended thing. Next is if the color blocks are streaked or missing, use the print quality tools to clean the cartridges. Check all the colors and black color. Still we can see some lines are there in the black ink cartridge, and if we look here everything looks normal, but in the green box still some lines are there. So what we can do is we can repeat this process again. So go to the screen, click on the clean again and select level 1. Do not select level 2. And if these things fails, then we can do a last thing in the end. Let's check the print quality report again. So if we look on the print results, we can clearly see the lines has reduced. That means it's working and it's improving the print quality. To completely get rid of the lines, we can do it once again. So go to the screen, click on the clean again and select level 1. So this is the final time I am going to do here. In your case, if you see the lines are there, they are not going away, then you can keep repeating it until you get the clear result. And in the end, if ink stops working, that means your cartridge is about to finish and you need to replace it. So this is the third cleaning. Let's check the result. So right now I can see lines are still there in all the colors. That means ink cartridge is low in the ink and it may need a replacement. If your ink cartridge is still full, and if you check on the display panel, if you see all the inks are full, that means if you do more cleaning, the print quality result will improve. So you can repeat level 1 cleaning few times and then give rest to your printer for few hours so that it starts to work normally. To finish the process, go to the screen and click on the done, and then we can go back to the main screen. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer that is printing the lines and the blurry text. Thanks for watching.